Alright guys, there has been no update since the last video. I had a few things that I gotta tell you guys of why I haven't been making any videos. It sucks, but I'll explain it right now. Let me go into the car. Alright, okay, I think that's better. So I guess supposedly the tenant agency of our property that we're living at got a citation from the city about us working on cars here, so we can't work on cars. But the thing is, my roommates and I, we barely work on our cars at all. Most of the cars, they just sit and we don't do anything to them. I do some work here and there on my cars, but I don't do anything too crazy. It's just either cleaning it or just installing some parts. I'm not doing any swaps or anything. Also, where we live at, our house is towards the back. So in order for anyone to see anything, they would have to walk down our alley to see our cars and our part of the property. And you can't see it from the streets. Everything's all hidden. Don't know what happened. It's probably our neighbors. I think they have some issues with us, even though we don't do anything. Most of us, we work most of the time, and just once in a while we pull our cars out to go cruise and stuff. So I can't work on my car here, I guess. My lease is going to be over soon, so we're looking for a spot to move to. If everything works out well, I am getting a new shop space, workspace, garage for both of my cars. So I'm crossing my fingers that everything works out well, then I can get that spot and I could work on my cars there and record more videos. And I can have all my stuff all stored there as well too. So pretty excited, and hopefully it all works out well. It's just a pain in the ass out here. I guess people really do have issues with others working on their cars and stuff. I don't know if it's the same thing elsewhere too, but that's just always been my issue, is working on cars and where can I work on it without someone tripping on me. My old garage from my earlier videos, that one was awesome. Never had a complaint, nothing at all. Neighbors are all nice. Property management never came by. I always clean up after myself. I miss that garage even though it's really small, but it was just a really, really chill spot that I can access all day. This is nice too, having a garage attached to the house, but neighbors, landlords, the tenant agency, they're just tripping. So it's just temporary. It's not going to be forever, so I'm not really tripping about it or anything. It just sucks, we're paying rent and we can't do shit. I don't know. Hopefully someday I can be a homeowner and I can just do whatever I want at my house. So gotta work my way up for that right there. Other than that, today I'm gonna work on the car. I really want to get something done on the car. It's my day off, and I want to update you guys too. So I haven't done anything since the last video, so everything's the same. I need to take apart the dash so I can get the rest of the AC off. That's from inside the car. I want to put the rest of the lease seat, the lower seat down here in, and there's a few other small bits that I need to do as well. I also need to get my passenger seat back. There's a lot of stuff that I need to do, but I guess let's start. So what I need to do first is move that, of course, clean that up, and then figure out what holds this box into place. Is it gonna focus or what? Yeah, I gotta figure out what holds that box into place so I can pull that thing out. And that, hopefully it would just come off easy with a few nuts and bolts. So I guess I'll just go figure that out right now. Pop this bad boy off. This thing sucks ass. See that? Just came off like that. Paperwork and then some freaking exposed wiring. So we'll take that off and then we'll figure that out right there. I think there's a few things I need to do in the engine bay as well. So when I take that box out, it should delete these two hoses, these two lines right here. So let me get my light. This light is amazing. Harbor Freight special. Looks like there's a bolt right there. And should be a few other things holding it up. But I think I gotta take the dash off. I hope I don't. Some clips holding this box in right here, so let's go figure it out. 1 second. Alright, first of all, there's some screws up here around this whole area that I need to take off the screws, and I can pull out this glove box insert out. So let me do that real quick. This light. Just like that. So previous owner, he did that. He cut the glove box open and out. I would assume it's for stereo wiring, or just to wire up the stereo in here. And yeah, it's all good because I'm going to do the same thing as well too. I mean, use it to put a stereo in there just to tuck it in. But yep, that's really it. And let's take a closer look inside here now. Yep, so one of the bolts missing right there, as you can see. But I have a feeling that this is for just the air to blow by. So let's figure this whole thing out. The whole box and piping. Actually, no, the piping for that's right there. What I'm gonna do is just take apart this top dash cover, put it in the back. So let me see. Dash cover's off. So let's see. What's that RPM thing right there? Look at the filter on this boy. Jeez. Look at that filter. That is freaking nasty. This thing's almost out. Oh, 1 second. And it's out. Uh-oh. This AC? Uh-oh. Yeah, this AC. Woohoo! Oh, man. Finally, all the AC is out after years and years of just straight not working and shit. Yeah. This car's so... Am I happy? Alright guys, AC's out. Oh, look at that room back there. Jeez. I'm not gonna do anything back there, but still, like, all this is gone and out. Woohoo! Now to clean this up, and I have the rest of the hoses and lines for my vents and everything, so I'm gonna hook that back up right now, and then I can put this all back together.